Hello everyone, welcome to another question of PT 2 minutes. Today's question is on saving rate and concept related to that. I will give you some time, try to find out the right answer. Okay, let's see the question. The first statement says that high saving rate leads to higher consumption. Okay, so this statement is false. If the saving rates are high, then consumption is going to be low, not higher. Okay, so as an example, if as an individual I am saving more money, then obviously I am left with very less money to consume anything. Okay, so this statement is false. The second statement, India's saving rate has continuously increased after economic reforms of 1991. This statement is false. So if we see after the economic reforms of 1991, in general saving rate have increased. They reached around a peak of 37% around 2008, but it hasn't increased continuously, and in recent year it has fallen and now it is around 30%. The third statement, it says that high saving rate may lead to higher investment which result in higher economic growth. So this statement is basically right. Okay, so if saving rates are high, if people are saving money, if suppose they are depositing it in banks, okay, then bank will be giving it in the form of loans to some corporate, which they will be investing into certain businesses, which will ultimately leads to higher economic growth. Okay, so this statement becomes right. So our correct answer will become A, that is only one. Those of you who have marked the right answer, congratulations. To follow more such questions, follow our channel on YouTube.